10 simple ways to romanticize spring. I am so excited to share this video with you. The first tip is to have a gentle tea ritual. I just love to have some tea, especially in the spring season. I think it's such a lovely way to start the day and to really romanticize spring. Tip 2, create a romantic nightstand. I just love to decorate my nightstands, especially in the spring season. I also love to decorate our bedroom with some beautiful flowers that really reminds me of the spring season. I also found this adorable little egg from the Primark and a beautiful candle that I found from Tesco with a gorgeous pink flower inside. Then I have a little milk jar and mug that I found from the Primark. I love the print, it's so pretty and it's perfect for spring. I just love all these little details. It really reminds me of the spring season, and I just love to decorate our bedroom for the spring. For tip 3, we're going to decorate our bedroom for the spring season. I just love to decorate our bedroom, especially in the spring, because everything looks so pretty with all the florals and all the ruffles. I found the most beautiful little bunny from the Primark and it's so pretty. I also found this mug from the Primark and this beautiful little milk jar, and I think it's perfect for spring because it has flowers and a little bird. Then I love to have some chocolates and a beautiful candle. I just love to decorate our home for the spring season. I think everything looks so pretty. I found this gorgeous candle from the Primark and I love the little flowers and the bows. And I found this gorgeous bunny also from the Primark. I just love the little flowers and the beautiful pink bows, which are hand painted and so pretty and so shabby chic. Tip 4, wear some pretty floral pajamas. I found these gorgeous pajamas from the Primark and I think they are just perfect for spring. They really remind me of little blossoms, and yeah, I think these are the perfect little pajamas to wear. I just love to add some pretty details for the spring to my bedroom. Tip 5, wear some pretty romantic lace and floral pieces. I found these beautiful pieces from the H&M and I think they're perfect for spring with the little lace and the little flowers. I think they're so pretty. I also found these little scrunchies which I think are also perfect for the spring season. I found them from Primark. Tip 6, decorate your spring vanity. I just love to decorate our vanity, especially for the spring season. I just love how this vanity turned out. It makes me so excited for the spring. I just love all these little pieces. I added some beautiful flowers. I just love to add some flowers to our bedroom, especially for the spring season. Then I have my golden little mirror and a gorgeous candle, which is rose scented. I found it from the Tesco and I think it's perfect for spring. Then I have my little mug for spring. I just love this little print. It's so pretty with the birds and the flowers. And it really reminds me of the spring season. And I love to decorate our bedroom with some flowers for spring. Roses are my favorites. I just love all these little details. They really remind me of spring. Then I have my beautiful pink rose porcelain trinket box. I think it's so pretty. And this gorgeous candle, which I found from Primark. And I love the little tulips and the pretty bow on top. I think it's perfect for spring. Then I have my favorite Love Shack Fancy perfume, which smells heavenly. And my beautiful little bunny, she's so pretty. And yeah, she's perfect for my spring decoration in our bedroom. I just love the little pink roses and the pretty pink bows. Such a beautiful details for the spring season. I also love my candle from the Tesco. And a beautiful rose in a little vase. I just love all these little details for the spring season. Tip 7. Wear a beautiful floral dress. I found this gorgeous dress from Made, and I think it's the perfect dress to wear in the spring. This dress is just so beautiful. I love the floral print with the little pink roses, and it has some ruffles underneath. And yeah, it's such a beautiful dress. This dress is from Made. They're selling the most gorgeous princess inspired dresses. I also love the pink bow on this dress and the little sleeves. It really reminds me of the perfect dress for a spring princess. I just love all the beautiful details in this gorgeous dress. And yeah, the little florals really reminds me of the spring season, and I really feel like a princess in this dress. And I think that it's the perfect dress to wear in the spring season. With the little florals and the pretty pastel colors. Tip 8. Romanticize your spring cleaning. I am so excited with my new dreamy robot vacuum. She's perfect to clean my bedroom. And yeah, I just love to romanticize some spring cleaning with my dreamy vacuum. Tip 9. Do some spring baking. I just love to bake some delicious treats, especially for the spring season. I got this adorable little cake and I added some melted pink buttercream. I also added some little bunny ears, which are so adorable, and a beautiful little blossom flower. I think it's the perfect little cake for the spring season. I also love to make a little bunny cinnamon bun. I added some white icing and some pink icing for inside the ears. I also added some little eyes and a pretty pink nose. And yeah, I think she's the perfect little treat for a beautiful spring day. I just love to do some baking, especially in the spring season. I also made this adorable little egg. I just love to decorate eggs, especially in the spring. And I had this wonderful idea to make a shabby chic inspired egg for spring. And yeah, I just love how it turned out with all the pretty pink roses. I think it's such a lovely activity to do in the spring season, just to be creative and to make a beautiful little egg like this. And I just love to display it in our home and to decorate our home for the spring with this adorable little egg. I think she turned out so pretty. Such a fun activity to do for the spring. I also love to decorate our bathroom for the spring. I think it makes my self-care routine extra more special to decorate our bathroom inspired by the spring season. I got my little egg, which is also a candle. A beautiful little makeup bag with the prettiest pink florals. Tip 10: Unwind and enjoy a movie night. I just love to have a little self-care routine with my favorite beauty products and to decorate our bathroom for the spring season. I just love all these pretty little details for the spring. And it makes my self-care routine extra more special when to decorate the bathroom. I love this little makeup bag that I use for all my spring essentials. A pretty little rose, my beautiful little candle with some tulips and a beautiful pink bow. I also love to add some beautiful flowers to our bathroom. And the adorable little bunny. And yeah, my little trinket box. I also found this Bridgerton deodorant, and I just love the packaging. It's so pretty and it smells so heavenly. It really smells like the spring season. It smells really sweet and I just love it so much. And the packaging is just gorgeous. I think it's the perfect deodorant to wear in the spring season. I also got this beautiful candle that I found from the Tesco's. It has a beautiful flower in the middle and I think it's so pretty. Then I have my soap dispenser and my favorite Love Shack fancy perfume. I just love to watch my favorite movie for the spring season, and my favorite movie for the spring is Bambi. I think it's such a lovely movie, and yeah, I always watch it during the spring season, and this has to be one of my most favorite scenes in Bambi because it really reminds me of spring with all the flowers and Bambi and his friends playing outside. And yeah, I just love it so much. I also love to have the delicious treats that we made when I'm watching my favorite movie in the spring season. I think it's such a lovely activity and it's the perfect way to spend a beautiful day in the spring. Bambi and his friends are so adorable, and this is my favorite scene. I think it's so cute. So these are my 10 tips for how to romanticize spring. I hope I can inspire you. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you very soon with some new inspiration. Thank you so much. Bye.